Hey everyone, wanted to get a quick welcome in here and explain how our class is working, and also just introduce myself. So I'm Mrs. Egan for those of you who haven't had me as a teacher before, and this video is going out to my individual fitness classes and my strength and conditioning classes. So regardless of the class that you have me with, the format of our class is going to be the same. Just our focuses on the academic pieces are going to be a bit different. In our strength and conditioning classes, we are going to have a bit more resistance training done in our class for as far as our workouts go. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go over a potential week of what our class is going to be looking like and what the expectations are going to be. So we are going to drag this over here for you. So if you look, this is today. So we're talking about Schoology. We're going to talk about how our class is going to be set up, and we have an intro activity that I'm going to have you reply with today. Tomorrow is going to be intro to workouts, and then we are going to have our first actual workout with an exit ticket on Thursday. And then on Friday is going to be our first what we call an academic day, where we're going to talk about heart rate zones. As we move into each week, you'll notice that we are going to have an academic day once a week. And then we will be talking about those different pieces throughout the quarter. Um, so as we go through, if you notice in our first 5-day week, which is going to be in a few weeks from now, we're going to have our academic day on Monday. We're going to talk about and review whatever the academics was. We're going to do a resistance workout, which would be more of that strength component. Wednesday is going to be a day off. I will always provide an optional workout for you. It is not required that you do that, but some people like to get in the groove and get in more of a routine of working out. Thursday, we're going to do a quick talk about drinking water, and then we're going to have a cardio workout. And understanding that obviously weather is a big factor, and some of us just hate running. So those cardio workouts are going to be sometimes in place, meaning that you can do them just in your basement or in your bedroom if you have enough space, or even in a garage for some of you. And then Friday is going to be a resistance workout again. So as we scroll through each week, you're going to notice that it is the same type of schedule as we go through. We're always going to have that academic day. We're always going to have a day off where I provide you with an optional workout. All right. So that is how that part of our class is going to work. Now we are going to talk about Schoology and how Schoology looks. So for our strength and conditioning class, again, this is just me introducing myself to you. This is our Schoology page. It's going to tell you our objectives for the day. I'm going to talk about our tasks. And most of the time, our tasks are going to have an exit ticket, which is what you'll be providing to me to let me know what you learned from the workout or how you felt about that workout. Task 1 is watching this video. So obviously, if you've gotten this far, you're doing A-okay. And then task 2 is that it's going to walk you through what the expectations are for each day. Again, those workout days, you are going to have to be watching these videos. The videos I make, I'm going to be doing them daily, are critical. Okay, those have a lot of instruction, and what my students learned last quarter as they were going through the class is the ones that didn't watch the video really had a hard time understanding what the workout was about. When we go into task 3, which today is going to be you making me a video that lets me get to know you. My link to my video is right here. So you're going to be able to take a look at my example. Mine goes a little bit longer than 2 minutes. Don't judge. I just tend to talk a lot. That is not the expectation for you, but you are going to have to make it around 2 minutes, making sure you're answering all of these questions here. And then at the bottom, you're going to see the submission as to what you need to do to turn that in. All right. So again, like I said, strength and conditioning and individual fitness is going to be run basically the same way. We are just going to have a different focus on your academic days. We are going to start pretty much the same with everybody though. If you ever have any questions or anything, the expectation is that you're messaging me in Schoology, making sure that you understand that I will respond to you within my office hours for sure. Otherwise, my regular email. I do not reply to my app's email. So don't send anything to that. And also, if you have any concerns about the class or want to know what else we can do for this class, please make sure I know that as well. Oh, one other piece is I do post everything on YouTube, so you can have easy access towards that. But if you do not have access to YouTube for whatever reason, I will need to know so I can get you the workout in a different way. All right, there's my 5-minute talk. See ya.